Welcome to the Mr. Smart Maths channel, and my name is Mr. Smart. In this video we are looking at absolute values. So the absolute value of a number is the distance that the number is away from zero. So let's have a look at some examples. We have a number line here and 2 points on that number line. We have 4 and -4. Now the absolute value of 4 is 4 because it is 4 away from 0. That is the distance away from 0. But also the absolute value of -4 is 4 because again it is 4 away from 0, just in the opposite direction. So let's have a look at our second example here. On this number line we have the points 6 and -6. The absolute value of 6 is 6 because it is 6 away from 0. But also, conversely, the absolute value of -6 is also 6 because in the opposite direction, -6 is 6 away from 0. So that means we can say generally that if we have positive A, the absolute value is A, but if we have negative A, the absolute value is A also. Finally, let's have a look at absolute values when we substitute numbers into an expression. So we have an expression here, p minus 3, and it says find the absolute value of p minus 3 when, and we're going to substitute 3 different values in. So firstly, when p equals 5, we're going to have the absolute value of 5 minus 3, which is the absolute value of 2, which is 2. When p equals 0, we're going to have the absolute value of 0 minus 3, and that is the absolute value of -3, which is 3. Remember, -3 is 3 away from 0. Finally, when p is -1, we're going to have the absolute value of -1 minus 3, and that becomes -4. And the absolute value of -4, being 4 away from 0, is 4. Be sure to check out the Mr. Smart Maths channel on YouTube and the website, which is mrsmartmaths.com. See you again soon.